Hi there, welcome back to another lesson of English pronunciation. In this tutorial, I'll showcase for you how to pronounce these four words: encephalon, encephalon, encephalopathy or encephalopathy, enfleurage, éclaircissement. The first word is a noun, and we say encephalon, or we can also say encephalon. It's a four-syllable noun, encephalon or encephalon, which means the brain. The second syllable se or ka should have the stress. We say encephalon or encephalon. I repeat, encephalon, encephalon. The second word is a noun also, which means the disease affecting the brain. That's called encephalopathy. I repeat, encephalopathy. It's somehow tricky word to pronounce. Let's do the syllabification and clarify the distribution of the sounds. Encephalopathy. It's a six-syllable word. Syllable number syllable number 4, lo, should have the stress. I repeat, encephalopathy, 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 encephalopathy. The third word is enfleurage. Enfleurage has got also two stresses. En is the secondary stressed syllable, which is the first syllable. But syllable number 3, the last syllable, rage, is the main and primary stressed syllable. We say enfleurage. This word comes from the French language, which means the extraction of essential oils from flowers. That kind of process is called enfleurage. Enfleurage. The last word is éclaircissement. Éclaircissement is also a noun, and also it has got two stresses. The secondary stressed syllable is a, the first syllable, but the primary and main stressed syllable is cis, which is syllable number éclaircis, syllable number 3. We say éclaircissement, éclaircissement, which means the explanation or clarification of something. Let's practice the pronunciation of these words: encephalon, encephalopathy, enfleurage, éclaircissement. Your support is greatly appreciated. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and like. Goodbye.